Hello friends, warm welcome to this video. How to remove your address from unwanted websites. Are you tired of your inbox being flooded with unwanted emails? It's frustrating to see your important messages buried under newsletters, promotional offers, and random updates you never signed up for. The good news is you can take control of your Gmail account and stop these unwanted emails from cluttering your inbox. In this video, we'll show you how to identify the sources of unwanted emails and stop them in their tracks. Stick around and let's get started on reclaiming your inbox. Start by heading to your Google account at myaccount.google.com. If you're not logged in, enter your email and password to sign in. Once inside your account, look for the Security option on the left-hand side menu. Click on Security to open the Security Settings menu. Scroll down the page until you find the section labeled Your Connections to Third-Party Apps and Services. Click on See All Connections to view the full list of apps and services linked to your Google account. You'll now see a list of all the apps or services that have access to your Google account. Although there are no apps or services linked to this account, what to do if you find some linked apps or services? To disconnect an app or service, click on its name to open its settings. To remove it, click on Delete All Connections. Confirm that you want to remove the connection. Repeat these steps for every app or service you wish to disconnect from your Google account. Please do not forget to like this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. Press the bell icon to get updates on new tech support videos. Thank you for watching this video.